Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. I'm back with another video, yes sir, today, man. I missed y'all, man, If you did, man, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. In case y'all think I've been MIA. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll be more consistent on the Instagram side, or my TikTok, or my Twitter. All my platforms down below in the description. But y'all ain't hear me talk about all that. Y'all heard me talk about these Nike Dunk Lows, Chlorophyll. So this came out in grade school and man sizes, in case y'all didn't know. By the way, if y'all hear dogs in the background, it's my dogs. Just don't mind them right now. But like I said, we got these Nike Dunk Lows, dark Chlorophyll. Like I said, it came in men's and grade school. No release date on them. I just went into JD Sports earlier today and saw them, like, ooh, them fire. Them nice. There ain't gonna lie, them nice. When the sun, I'm gonna show y'all. I got videos, I got pictures. It's a grade school size, it's 6.5. So I can't get y'all on feet, but they do have men's pairs of these shoes. So we're gonna see, man. Hopefully I get my hands on the men's, because I do like the men's one. Because the resale value right now in my size, 11.5, it's over 200. Not bad, you know what I'm saying? I would definitely get it, but I want to get it for retail. The colorway is fire, perfect time for the summer. I got pictures, videos, all that for y'all in this video. So like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Not further ado, man, let's get into the video. Like I said earlier today, I went to JD Sports. I went to go pick up some Nike Dunks, or released Nike Dunk that came out today, but not on the sneakers app. Be on the lookout for that video as well. But I went to JD Sports, you know what I'm saying? In case you go to stores, you win raffles. I go to other stores, looking around, you know what I'm saying? And it's crazy in JD Sports. I was walking around, seeing the Giannis's, the Uno joints. I'm gonna get those as well, the hooping, because I play basketball. So I was gonna grab those. I was like, man, nah, I could wait. My J. Cole dreamers, we dreaming big. We doing good over here. So I was about to walk out, and something told me to turn around and look at the register. Something just told me. I turned around like, oh, okay. So, you know what I'm saying? Got the Nike Dunk Lows, dark Chlorophyll joints. But they also had other Nike Dunks. And she was like, you can only get one. Mind you, it's two different colors. It was like 3 or 4 dunks sitting right there. I'm like, okay. So I ain't got no attitude. I was like, I just take that one. And then in my head, I'm like, it's 2 different colors. I can see if it's the same color, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm like, oh, nah, you can't do that. You gotta get different varieties. She's like, nah, you only can get one. One dunk out of all 4 of them. See, that's one thing about it that be irritating me. I understand why, because people were running for other people. But it's like, bruh, what you mean I can get one? I can see if it's the same color, but it's different colors, different varieties. Come on, man. But like I said, people were ruling for other people, and that's why they set the rules that they set. I can't get mad, but I can. But y'all hear me talk about the story, and I'll let y'all hear me see these Nike Dunks. So without further ado, let's go get the Nike Dunks out, man. Yes, sir. So any Nike Dunk Lows, any Nike Dunk High, mids, most of the time gonna come in this red and white Nike Bucks right here. Like I said, 6.5 right there. And it says Nike Dunk Low grade school, Chlorophyll white, vid green, 6.5. And the retail was $90, so I had to tax like 95, 97-ish, around that range. So not too bad, but this colorway is fire. I promise y'all, I don't be hyping certain shoes, but this colorway is fire. And I need this in the men's size. So if anybody got a size 11, 11.5, or even a 12, and these, holla at your boy on Instagram. Description down below, Twitter, TikTok, whatever. But let's get these bad boys out. Bang, here they go, man. The Nike Dunk Low dark Chlorophyll joints, man.
Hey, you will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am?
Y'all can't sit here and tell me these ain't butter. This would have been a perfect shoe for St. Patrick's Day, and my birthday's in March too. This would have been a perfect shoe. Like, bro, look at that color. Like, look at this color, bro. Y'all can't sit here and tell me it's not fire, bro. With the white, oh, wait. Let's go get the other shoe out. Comment down below, man. Let me know, man. Y'all liking these joints? So they got the blue ones like these. But to be honest, green and blue is my favorite color. Both of them are my favorite color. But if I had to pick and choose what flavor I want, let me get the apple. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all, man. I'm taking the apple. You know what I'm saying? You like apple, you like blueberries. I like apple, man. Sound of money, sound of green, you know what I'm saying? It's like that, but these fire, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. These definitely fire. For sure, must cop. Hopefully, I find a man size. If y'all, like I said, if I got a man size, holla at your boy, because I definitely need it. But these are clean, super clean. But let's go and talk about the shoe, man. So on your outsole here, you got your green outsole. I don't want to say it's like a dark green. It's like more like a, I don't even say it's a lime green. It's like more of a dark green. Going along the midsole, you got your white midsole here. Going along the toe box, I would say it's more like a lime green, because there's two different tones of greens on this shoe. If y'all could tell, on the toe box is like a lime green, and going along the toe box is like more of a darker green. With your Nike, with your white Nike check swoosh, sets of white laces. On the back of the heel, got your stitched in lime green Nike stitched in, and on the inside got your lime green Nike logo inside of the shoe as well. And the leather material, standardized Nike Dunk leather material. Wear a couple times it's gonna crease. I mean, I don't be tripping about that type of stuff, but hey, ain't no wrong with that. But overall, 10 out of 10 for sure. 10 out of 10. These things are super clean. They hit in the sun. Perfect summer shoe, you know what I'm saying? Why not grab these? These green goes with a lot of stuff. A lot of people don't be knowing that. Green goes with a lot of stuff, man. But these are super clean, bruh. So, like I say, I was seeing the videos when I was talking, like how they hit in the sun. Super clean, super clean. Size running Nike Dunk lows. I always tell people Nike Dunk high, lows, whatever. If you normally go a half size up in Nike Dunk lows, your chances of creasing your shoes is going to be higher. But if you get your actual true size, like a 10, if you wear that 10, don't try to get that 10 and a half. Your chance of creasing your shoes is going to be high. So stick to that size 10 if you want to crease your shoes up. But if you don't care, like a little room in your shoe, you don't care about creasing your shoes, go a half size up. But me personally, I always say true to size, 11, 11 and a half. But if I'm really desperate, I could do a 12. I'm not really tripping. But I prefer my personal size, which is 11. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that helps y'all out. But like I said, here they go, man. The dark Chlorophyll Nike Dunk lows. Like I said, no release date on these at all. So you could easily go on Go, StockX, you know what I'm saying? Grab these joints. I ain't gonna lie, like I said, I need to get the man size. So hopefully I'll find a man size before I pull the trigger on Go or StockX. Hopefully, man. But that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Make sure you follow me all platforms down below. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that good stuff, man. Everyone is out. Peace.